Alright guys, back here with Texas Bread. Me, Wes, my son Kage, we decided we're going to do a little noodling today. So we came out here to Lake Waco and we got 50 noodles. We're going to throw them out, bait them up, and hopefully we can get some big old catfish in here. But we're going to end up doing a catch, clean, and cook. So stay tuned. Hopefully we can get some fish in the boat.
Alright guys, we got about 12 noodles in the water already. Already got something hooked up. Brad and Kage gonna get him off. Find out what it is.
Can you see it, Brad?
I can see the noodle. May have to drop that trolling motor in there. Hey, go under the boat. You still see the noodle? I can't believe that sun gun is hanging out under the boat.
Literally, as soon as I went to grab me, took off.
Holy moly. I didn't get a very good pull in. You kidding me? What, at 10 minutes? Attaboy, Kage. That's a hell of a start. That's a good fish. Starting it off right.
Boy, it's a damn good start. First fish of the day.
Probably, I don't know, what, 10? What does he weigh, Kage? 10? Huh?
I say
That's fast action, I know that.
We put out 50 noodles and baited them with shad. Anyways, we don't have just a ton of bait left, but within 5 minutes of us putting the noodles out, we caught about an 8-pound. Oh my God! We caught about an 8-pound catfish, blue cat. So, anyways, before it gets dark, we decided we're gonna head over to the Bubbles. And Bubbles is a place where they aerate. It's aerated on the lake. What's it aerated for? Do you know?
I have no idea.
Yeah. I have no idea why it's aerated, but there's four aerator tubes. It blows water out constantly, or blows air out constantly, creates bubbles, and the fish just attract to it. But we come over here to the cast net and get a bunch of live shad. So anyways, we came over here and all of a sudden the whites are popping the top of the water. So we're gonna sit here and catch a few whites and wait for the sun to go down, and then we're gonna go check our noodles. Wearing out the shad. Hold him up. Hold it up. The biggest catch ever. So anyway, we're gonna get more shad. We're gonna run back up in the river. We're gonna check our buoys, rebait them, and we're gonna sit out here and catch catfish tonight. Hopefully we get some more big ones. But we've had some good luck so far. Like I said, we were here 5 minutes and got a big 8-pound blue. So we're gonna catch a few whites. We're gonna throw this cast net. We're gonna head back in the river. We'll see y'all there.
I'm on.
Left it on, that was lucky.
I had it on. Yeah, it's a good one too.
Hey, no proof if you can't keep him in the boat.
First blood. You got a ruler?
Hey, you caught a shad a second ago.
Yeah. Another baby. Oh, blackie.
Not too big.
Keeper. This is too much fun. It's literally one after another, fast as we can reel them in. That is, that's a lot of fun. Hey, we're gonna catch a few more. We're gonna get the shad and we're gonna head back to the river, go after some big cats.
Get him before he goes under the boat. Up. Head up, baby.
Hey, yeah. See what he... There you go.
You're lucky, noodle.
So the baby, he'll eat. Alright guys, so we got done fishing tonight. We did not have a great night with the catfish. Biggest catfish we caught was 8 pounds, and we only caught 7 catfish total. We had 50 noodles, we rebaited twice, and we only caught 7 fish. The river was super murky, muddy. Still, it had a lot of current in it, but it was still just super muddy, and we hadn't had rain in several days. I don't know, a week probably. So I don't really understand it, but we had a rough time with the catfish. Now, we did catch a lot of white bass, and we stayed out all night. And I was gonna do a catch, clean, and cook on this video, and I have big plans. I have a huge trip coming up. I leave in 2 days, and I'm gonna try and make some more videos. So I'm gonna get in and get to bed and try and make another video tomorrow. I've got some stuff to do to prepare for this trip, but I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you. Me and my boy, we're heading to Africa. I know I said it before in the video before, but we're heading to Africa. I've got an 18-hour flight ahead of me, and I am nervous. I've been almost sick about it. I fly all the time, but not 18 hours. And I'm pretty nervous. I'm 6'3", 6'4", somewhere in there, and I don't fit well in planes. So I don't know what this plane's gonna be like. I don't know if an 18-hour flight, you have a bigger plane, you have more room, you have, it lays back further. I've been told they lay back further, but I've heard the leg room is not great. Anyways, I've been pretty nervous. I'm gonna be gone for quite a while. We're spending quite a bit of time in Africa, so I said earlier in this video I was going to do a catch, clean, and cook, and we just didn't really catch enough fish. I'm going to bag them. I'll do them when I get home, and I'll do them in a different way, a way I don't do them very often. But I am not gonna do a catch, clean, and cook this video, and I apologize. But I'm gonna go in and get some sleep. And after tonight fishing in the river, we didn't have very good luck catching these catfish, but what we are gonna do is tomorrow night we're going bow fishing. We saw a ton of gar and a ton of carp, and that's what we should have been doing tonight. Because catfishing was not our thing tonight. It wasn't working out. We started fishing, I don't know, I think we threw a first noodles in at maybe 8 o'clock or something like that. And it's now 3:30 and we have 7 catfish. And we did, like I said, we did catch some white bass, but that isn't what we were going for. And it was just, wasn't a great night. So, but we do have a plan. We saw these gar and we saw these carp in the river. We're going back after them tomorrow night, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give us that thumbs up. Stay tuned. I got some big things coming. Africa is gonna be a blast.